In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Webflow. If you want to let visitors book meetings directly from your Webflow site, this is a simple and effective way to do it. We'll be taking the embed code from Calendly and placing it into a Webflow page so the scheduling calendar appears right on your site. Start by logging into your Calendly account and locating the event type you want to share. This is important because Calendly can contain multiple meeting types, so you'll want to make sure you're embedding the exact one you want visitors to book. Once you've found it, open the three-dot menu next to that event type and choose Add to Website. From there, select the Inline Embed option and click Continue. An inline embed places the calendar directly inside a page on your website rather than opening it in a pop-up or redirecting users somewhere else. This usually creates a smoother booking experience, especially if you want to keep people on your site. Next, customize the background color and text color so the calendar matches your brand and blends well with your Webflow design. Taking a moment here can make the embed look much more polished and intentional. Once you're happy with the appearance, click Copy Code. That copies the Calendly embed code to your clipboard, which you'll use in Webflow. Now switch over to Webflow and open your project in the designer. Navigate to the page where you want the calendar to appear. It could be a contact page, a booking page, or any section of your site where scheduling makes sense. Before placing the embed, it's a good idea to think about spacing and layout so the calendar has enough room to display clearly. To add the embed area, use the keyboard shortcut Command or Control plus E to open Quick Find or click the Add panel using the plus icon. Then search for the embed element and drag it onto your canvas in the location where you want the Calendly scheduler to show up. Once the embed element is in place, paste the Calendly code into the code editor. After that, click Save and Close. At this point, the embed has been added to your Webflow page. That's it. Your Calendly scheduler is now connected to Webflow through an inline embed. If needed, you can adjust placement and surrounding design elements in Webflow to make the section look more seamless. After publishing your site, be sure to test the calendar on the live page to confirm it loads correctly and provides a smooth booking experience.